Now I will show you the installation PLC rack. Now this is the power supply. Power supply installed at power slot. That is the power slot. You can check. This is the CPU second slot. This is CPU second slot. This is I010, and now CPU installed. Okay. My colleague Mr. Prasanto Jana installing. He is very skillful. Now this is DI. This is DI installed. You can check the channel 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 A B C D E F hexadecimal. Okay. Card. Check. This is RX. X means input, denote input, and Y denotes the output. Okay. So this is the channel number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to F. So this one. Okay. So this is the terminals. Now existing terminals will be inserted. Another new terminal by my friend Mr. Sandeep Kundu.
দাঁড়া এই নাম্বারটা নোট করুন।
I will cool. Now the new terminal inserted. Okay. Now termination will be done.